guys, Michelle True here, and we are giving away one of these cuties. Watch until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so it's midnight and Disney is releasing their Donald Duck candy corn zipper. I'm gonna wake up the kids and we're gonna head down to Disneyland. It's a 6-hour drive. Let's go. We just bought gas and we are on our way to Disneyland. So it looks like we're the first ones here. I think they open at 6 and it's 4:54. So apparently we were wrong about the garage opening at 6 o'clock. They actually open at 7.
Hey guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Hope you have a great day, guys. How's it going?
All right, guys, so we just parked. We're walking across over to security. We actually mobile ordered our Donald zippers. So we just have to go and pick them up. I think we're good. Hey guys, it's 7:30 and this is our first time doing rope drop with the family. We are walking inside. It's pretty crazy. People are running, but we are not gonna run. We are gonna walk. But first, coffee.
And may you enjoy your visit to this magical place called Disneyland.
Hey guys, I'm about to get my hands on the Donald Duck candy corn zipper. I'm so excited because I've been waiting for this since the beginning of September. It's ready, let's go! Alright guys, so mission is complete. We got our Donald Duck candy corn zippers. These I have been waiting for since September 1st. They were on back order or something about shipment, I don't know. But we finally got them. We got here on the first day. You were on the journey with us. And I'm so excited because here they are. So we are gonna do a giveaway. One lucky subscriber will get to have one of these candy corns. And believe me, you're gonna want one because he is super cute. So here is the Donald Duck candy corn zipper. He is super cute. I really love the pumpkin. It's so cute this year. If you check the back, this is where the straw is. I don't think I'd actually use this as a zipper. This is probably going to sit on my desk, but you can take this top off, I believe. Ta-da! And that's where you put your juice or water or soda, whatever you like to drink. Pop that right back in. It has this lovely lanyard. I love the purple. I can't say that enough. I really love the purple. It's awesome. And I like that it has this plastic stand on here so that it can actually stand on your desk or on your counter and it won't fall over. This is probably one of my favorite zippers so far. Love it. We are exhausted. We had a long day, but I wanted to remind you we are doing that giveaway, so make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know why you like Donald Duck, or if you don't like Donald Duck and you like any one of the other Disney characters, let us know, and we will announce the winner. Until next time, guys, have a great day. Bye.